Our planet is a tapestry of life, woven from countless threads of diversity. Every corner of the earth, from dense rainforests to arid deserts, teems with creatures that have adapted in remarkable ways to survive and thrive. Each species is a unique color in this living masterpiece, shaped by millions of years of evolution, migration, and adaptation. Their differences are as striking as their similarities, and together they form the vibrant spectrum of life. Occasionally nature, sometimes with a nudge from humans, mixes these colors in unexpected ways, creating animal hybrids, creatures that seem to blur the lines between what we thought were separate worlds. A hybrid is the offspring of two different yet closely related species, a living bridge that connects two evolutionary paths. These animals are more than just curiosities, they are living experiments in nature's laboratory. These remarkable creatures challenge our traditional classifications and reveal the incredible flexibility and creativity of life. They force us to rethink what it means to be a species and how boundaries in nature are often more fluid than we imagine. Hybrids often arise where the habitats of two species overlap. The result is a fascinating blend of traits, size, color, temperament, and even behavior, sometimes combining the best of both parents and sometimes revealing entirely new characteristics. Some hybrids are bigger, stronger, or more resilient than either parent, demonstrating that the boundaries between species are not always as rigid as we once believed. These animals can teach us about the potential locked within genetic diversity. Exploring hybrids is a journey into the heart of evolution and adaptation. It's a chance to witness the connections that link all living things and to see how life responds to new challenges and opportunities. Some hybrids, like the mule, have been part of the natural world for thousands of years, helping to shape ecosystems and landscapes. Their strength and endurance have made them invaluable components of their environments. Others, like the Grolar Bear, a cross between a grizzly and a polar bear, are recent arrivals, born from the shifting boundaries of climate and habitat. They are living evidence of how our changing world shapes the future of life on Earth. By studying hybrids, we unlock secrets about genetics, biology, and the interconnectedness of all species. Each discovery deepens our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. In this series, we'll meet mind-blowing hybrids like the Liger, a majestic blend of lion and tiger whose size and power are legendary, and the Wholphin, a rare and playful mix of dolphin and false killer whale, each one a marvel of nature's ingenuity and unpredictability. The existence of hybrids reminds us that the natural world is full of surprises, mysteries, and discoveries waiting to be made. As we explore these extraordinary animals, we open our eyes to the endless possibilities of life on Earth. Deep within the world of big cats, a rare and extraordinary phenomenon occurs when the boundaries between species blur. Among the most magnificent hybrids are those born from the union of lions and tigers, creatures that have captivated the imagination of scientists and animal enthusiasts alike. These hybrids, known as Ligers and Tigons, are living testaments to the wonders and mysteries of genetics, each carrying a story written in their very DNA. The Liger, as a product of a male lion and a female tiger, stands as the largest feline on Earth. With a body that can stretch up to 12 feet in length and a weight that can surpass 900 pounds, the Liger dwarfs both of its parents. This immense size is not merely a coincidence, but the result of a fascinating genetic interplay. In lions, a gene from the mother typically limits the growth of offspring, while in tigers, a gene from the father does the same. When a male lion and a female tiger mate, these growth-limiting genes are absent, leading to a phenomenon called growth dysplasia. The Liger's body continues to grow throughout its life, resulting in a creature of astonishing proportions and power. The Liger's appearance is a breathtaking blend of its heritage. Its coat is golden and reminiscent of a lion, yet faint stripes, echoes of its tiger ancestry, run along its flanks. The face may carry the broad, regal features of a lion, while the body's musculature hints at the tiger's strength and agility. Ligers are known for their unique behaviors as well. Unlike lions, which are typically wary of water, ligers often display a love for swimming, a trait inherited from their tiger parent. Their personalities can be a fascinating mix. The social tendencies of lions combined with the solitary instincts of tigers, resulting in a hybrid that is both playful and contemplative. Despite their grandeur, ligers are never found in the wild. The natural ranges of lions and tigers do not overlap, making such unions impossible outside of captivity. Within their enclosures, ligers live out their days as rare wonders, their existence a testament to the complexities of genetics and the boundaries of nature. Even rarer than the liger is the tigon, born from a male tiger and a lioness. Tigons are generally smaller than ligers, often closer in size to their parent species. Their coats are a patchwork of both spots and stripes, a visual tapestry that tells the story of their mixed lineage. The tigon's features are a delicate balance, the compact build of a lioness, the bold stripes of a tiger, and sometimes even faint spots inherited from the lion's cubhood. Their personalities, too, are a blend, sometimes shy and reserved, sometimes bold and curious. Both ligers and tigons share a unique genetic fate. Male hybrids are always sterile, unable to produce offspring of their own. Female hybrids, however, sometimes possess the rare ability to reproduce, though such events are exceedingly uncommon and fraught with genetic challenges. The existence of ligers and tigons raises profound questions about the limits of nature and the intricate dance of genes. These hybrids, with their striking appearances and unique behaviors, offer a rare glimpse into the possibilities that lie at the intersection of species. They remind us of the delicate balance that governs the animal kingdom and the extraordinary outcomes that can arise when the rules of nature are gently bent, if only for a moment. In the vast frozen expanse of the Arctic, where endless white stretches to the horizon and the wind howls across ancient ice, a remarkable new predator has quietly emerged. This is the Grolar Bear, a rare hybrid born from the union of the mighty grizzly and the elusive polar bear. With each step it carries the legacy of two powerful lineages, perfectly adapted for survival in a world of extremes. First recognized in 2006, the Grolar Bear's existence sent ripples through the scientific community. Its presence is a living testament to the shifting boundaries of the Arctic, a region in flux as the climate warms and habitats overlap. As the ice melts and the once impassable barriers between north and south dissolve, polar bears are driven further south in search of food, while grizzlies venture north exploring new territory. In these rare overlapping zones, the two species meet and the Grolar Bear is born. The Grolar Bear's appearance is striking, its fur a patchwork of creamy white and earthy brown, a visual blend of its parents' coats. This camouflage allows it to move seamlessly between snowy tundra and rocky outcrops, hunting and foraging with equal skill. Its claws are long and formidable, perfect for breaking through ice or digging for roots. The Grolar's massive paws distribute its weight, letting it traverse both soft snow and rugged ground with ease. Unlike many hybrids, Grolar Bears are fertile. Second-generation cubs have been observed, frolicking in the snow, learning the ways of both the tundra and the forest. This rare fertility hints at a future where Grolar Bears may carve out their own place in the Arctic ecosystem. All known Grolar Bears can trace their ancestry back to a single polar bear, a testament to their rarity and the unique circumstances that bring them into existence. Their ability to thrive in both icy and forested environments suggests the rise of a new bear population, uniquely equipped for a world where the old boundaries are fading. The Grolar Bear is evolution in motion, a living experiment, adapting in real time to the challenges of a warming planet. Its behaviors blend the hunting prowess of the polar bear with the resourcefulness of the grizzly. More than a curiosity, the Grolar Bear stands as a powerful symbol of nature's resilience and adaptability, a silent witness to the ever-changing story of the Arctic wilderness. Among the grasslands and savannas, the zebra's bold stripes stand out as a symbol of wild beauty. But when zebras cross paths with their close relatives, horses and donkeys, nature sometimes produces hybrids that are as fascinating as they are rare. These hybrids, known as Zorses and Zonkeys, are living testaments to the genetic closeness of the equine family. The Zorse, born from a zebra and a horse, displays a mesmerizing blend of features. The sturdy build and flowing mane of a horse, overlaid with the unmistakable stripes of a zebra. These stripes, a result of dominant zebra genes, can appear in bold patterns across the body or as subtle bands on the legs and neck. Zorses inherit more than just looks. Their skin is tougher and more resistant to biting insects, a trait from their zebra parent. Yet their temperament is a unique mix, spirited, alert, and often more unpredictable than either parent. In the wild, a Zorse's heightened awareness and agility would be an asset, but their hybrid nature means they rarely occur outside of managed environments. Genetically, Zorses are a blend of two species with different chromosome counts, zebras with 32 to 46 pairs, horses with 32. This mismatch means Zorses are almost always sterile, unable to produce offspring of their own. Each Zorse is a singular combination, a genetic bridge that cannot continue its line. Zonkeys, the offspring of a zebra and a donkey, are smaller and stockier than Zorses. Their most striking feature is the zebra's stripes, which often appear only on the legs and lower body, creating a patchwork of patterns unique to each individual. Zonkeys, like Zorses, are sterile due to the genetic differences between their parents. They are often born where zebras and donkeys share territory, their existence a rare accident of overlapping ranges. In the wild, their unique appearance can make them stand out, but their instincts and behaviors are a blend of both parents, cautious, social, and highly adaptive. The study of these hybrids has given scientists remarkable insights into genetics, evolution, and the boundaries between species. Zorses and Zonkeys reveal how closely related zebras, horses, and donkeys truly are, and how their shared ancestry can still produce new, if fleeting, forms of life. These hybrids, with their striking patterns and unique behaviors, are living reminders of the deep evolutionary ties that bind the equine family together, each one a rare and beautiful chapter in the story of nature's creativity. For thousands of years, mules have roamed the landscapes of the world, embodying a remarkable blend of strength, resilience, and adaptability. Born from the union of a male donkey and a female horse, the mule inherits the best of both worlds, endurance from the donkey and the robust power of the horse. Mules have traversed steep mountain trails and arid plains, their sure-footedness and stamina making them legendary for carrying burdens across the harshest terrains. With their long, expressive donkey ears and a bray that echoes both parents, mules possess a unique voice and appearance, instantly recognizable among equines. Despite their vigor and longevity, mules are almost always sterile, a biological barrier that preserves their hybrid status, yet does not diminish their enduring presence. The Hinny, a rarer hybrid, results from a male horse and a female donkey. This cross faces greater reproductive challenges, making Hinnies less common in the animal kingdom. Hinnies often display a more horse-like face and a smaller, more compact build, setting them apart from their mule cousins. When seen together, mules and Hinnies reveal the subtle but profound influence of their parentage, each hybrid a living testament to the complexities of genetics. In every landscape they inhabit, mules and Hinnies stand as enduring symbols of nature's ingenuity, their unique traits and hybrid vigor continuing to fascinate scientists and animal lovers alike. Across the vast, windswept plains of North America, a remarkable creature roams, one that carries the legacy of two powerful lineages. The beefalo, a hybrid born from the union of the robust bison and the gentle domestic bull, stands as a living testament to nature's capacity for innovation. With the sturdy frame and thick fur of its wild ancestor, the bison, and the calm temperament and grazing efficiency of its bovine kin, the beefalo is uniquely equipped to thrive where others might falter. Its powerful muscles ripple beneath a coat designed to withstand biting winds and frigid temperatures. In the heart of winter, when snow blankets the land and icy gusts sweep the plains, beefalo continue to graze, their bodies adapted to extract nourishment from sparse frozen grasses. Their resilience allows them to flourish in environments that challenge even the hardiest of animals, making them a symbol of survival and adaptation. The beefalo's lean, nutrient-rich meat is a product of this hybrid vigor, offering a balance of qualities inherited from both parent species. In the tapestry of the ecosystem, beefalo play a role in maintaining grassland health, their grazing patterns helping to shape the landscape and support biodiversity. Far from the grasslands in the boundless blue of the ocean, another extraordinary hybrid glides through the waves. The Wholphin, a rare blend of bottlenose dolphin and false killer whale, is a marvel of the marine world, its existence a testament to the mysteries of the deep. The first known Wholphin, Kekaimalu, displayed a unique combination of traits, sleek, agile, and intelligent, with a striking blend of features from both parent species. Her ability to reproduce defied expectations, challenging the boundaries of what was thought possible in the animal kingdom. In 2018, a Wholphin was spotted navigating the wild ocean, a living example of hybrid success in the untamed sea. This rare sighting offered a glimpse into the adaptability and resilience of hybrids as they carve out their own place in the marine ecosystem. Both beefalo and Wholphin reveal the astonishing potential of nature's adaptability. Their existence sparks scientific curiosity as researchers seek to understand the genetic, ecological, and evolutionary forces that shape these hybrids. In the wild, they stand as living proof that the boundaries between species are sometimes more fluid than they appear, and that life, in all its forms, is endlessly inventive. In the arid landscapes where camels roam and the highlands where llamas graze, two worlds once separated by continents and millennia quietly converged. The Cama, a rare and remarkable hybrid, emerged from the union of a camel and a llama, two species with distinct histories yet surprisingly compatible blueprints. The story of the Cama begins not with a single event, but with the slow, patient dance of genetics where the boundaries between species blur and new possibilities arise. The first Cama, born in 1998, was a living tapestry woven from the strength and endurance of the camel and the gentle, woolly grace of the llama. Its body, sturdy and robust, echoed the resilience of the desert wanderer, while its fleece, soft and luxurious, whispered of Andean heights. The Cama's very existence is a testament to the hidden compatibility within the animal kingdom, where chromosomes can sometimes align in unexpected harmony. The journey of the Cama is not without its challenges. The hybrid's temperament, a blend of both parents, can be unpredictable, sometimes displaying the independence of a camel, other times the sociability of a llama. Its diet, too, is a careful balance, requiring the right mix of nutrients to satisfy both ancestral lineages. Yet with each step the Cama reveals the intricate dance of genes, where dominant and recessive traits vie for expression, and new patterns emerge. Across green pastures and rolling hills, another hybrid quietly grazes, the Geep, a rare cross between a goat and a sheep. Unlike the Cama, the Geep is a product of nature's own experiments, where the boundaries of genetics are tested in the wild. Goats and sheep, though similar in appearance, possess different numbers of chromosomes, making their union a rare and delicate event. When a Geep is born, it is nothing short of a biological marvel. Its features are a patchwork of both parents, sometimes the horns of a goat, the wool of a sheep, or a curious blend of both. Each Geep is unique, a living puzzle that defies the usual rules of inheritance. In the fields of Ireland and beyond, these rare hybrids stand as living proof that nature's creativity knows no bounds. The Geep's coat is a testament to its dual heritage, coarse hair mingling with soft wool, a tactile reminder of the genetic lottery that brought it into being. Its behavior, too, is a blend, nimble and curious like a goat, yet gentle and flock-oriented like a sheep. Each Geep is a living experiment, revealing the subtle interplay of genes and the unpredictable outcomes of hybridization. The existence of the Geep challenges the very foundations of biology. It stands as a symbol of resilience, thriving despite the odds stacked against its creation. In every step, every bleat, the Geep demonstrates that life is not bound by rigid rules, but is instead a fluid, ever-adapting force. Both the Cama and the Geep are more than just curiosities. They are windows into the mysteries of genetics. Their existence reveals the hidden flexibility of DNA, the way genes can combine and recombine to create forms never before seen. In their wool, their gait, their very presence, these hybrids tell a story of possibility and change. Each hybrid birth is a triumph over genetic barriers, a moment when the improbable becomes real. These animals thrive in environments that test their adaptability, overcoming challenges that would daunt even their purebred relatives. Their survival is a testament to the power of genetic diversity and the endless potential for adaptation. Camas and Geeps, standing side by side, embody the spirit of survival. They are living proof that life will always seek new paths, forging ahead through the unknown, adapting and thriving in ways that defy expectation. In the end, the Cama and the Geep remind us that the story of life is one of endless surprise. Their existence is a celebration of nature's ingenuity, a testament to the boundless creativity written into the very code of life itself. Deep within the shadowy forests of North America, a rare and remarkable creature prowls: the Blynx. Born from the union of the elusive bobcat and the majestic Canada lynx, the Blynx is a living testament to nature's unpredictability. These hybrids emerge where the territories of bobcats and lynxes overlap, their paths crossing in the dense undergrowth and snowy clearings. As shifting climates push bobcats further north, encounters with lynxes become more frequent, setting the stage for this extraordinary hybrid to appear. The Blynx is not just a fleeting anomaly, it is a symbol of adaptation, thriving where two worlds meet. The Blynx's appearance is a striking blend. The tufted ears and thick silvery fur of the lynx combined with the muscular build and bold markings of the bobcat. Their eyes, sharp and alert, scan the forest for prey, while their powerful limbs carry them silently through the underbrush. Unlike many hybrids, female Blynxes are fertile, allowing this lineage to persist and potentially establish itself as a permanent presence in the northern wilds. In the quiet dawn, a Blynx moves with ghostly grace, its silhouette merging with the misty trees. Here, in the heart of the wilderness, the Blynx carves out its own niche, a living bridge between two powerful feline species. Far from the snowy forests, across the vast African savanna, another hybrid story unfolds. The Savannah cat, a mesmerizing blend of the wild serval and the domestic cat, is a marvel of contrasts. With its tall, slender frame, oversized ears, and golden coat dappled with bold spots, the Savannah cat moves with the elegance of its wild ancestor. Every movement of the Savannah cat echoes the serval's agility, a high leap, a silent stalk, a sudden burst of speed. Yet within this wild exterior lies a unique blend of traits, inherited from generations of careful hybridization. The Savannah cat's lineage is a delicate balance. The serval's size and wild instincts meet the domestic cat's adaptability, resulting in a hybrid with both the heart of a hunter and the curiosity of a companion. The journey to create the Savannah cat is fraught with challenges, differences in size, gestation, and temperament. Yet the result is a feline unlike any other. In the world of hybrid research, both the Blynx and the Savannah cat are subjects of fascination. Scientists study their genetics, behaviors, and adaptability, seeking to understand how hybridization shapes the future of wild and domestic species alike. These cats are not just curiosities, they are living experiments revealing the hidden possibilities within the animal kingdom. The Blynx and the Savannah cat stand as vivid examples of nature's ingenuity, thriving at the crossroads of species and environments. Their existence challenges our understanding of boundaries, showing that life is always ready to adapt, evolve, and surprise. In the wild, their presence is a reminder of the untamed beauty and resilience that define the animal world. These hybrids are living art, a fusion of wild grace and unique adaptation, forever reshaping the tapestry of life. Animal hybrids are living stories woven from the threads of two worlds. Each hybrid, whether a Liger, a Zonkey, or a Grolar Bear, stands as a testament to the astonishing flexibility of life. Their very existence challenges the boundaries we once thought were absolute, revealing that nature's rules are often more fluid than we imagine. Hybrids show us that the lines between species are not walls, but bridges. These remarkable creatures demonstrate how genes can flow across divides, creating new forms that adapt to changing environments. In the wild, hybrids often emerge where habitats overlap, signaling nature's ongoing experiment with survival and adaptation. The appearance of hybrids like the Grolar Bear is a silent alarm. As climates shift and habitats merge, these animals become pioneers in new ecological frontiers. Their presence reveals the stress and transformation of ecosystems and the ways in which life responds to upheaval. Hybrids are living indicators of environmental change. Their emergence often marks the front lines of climate's impact, as species once separated by distance or behavior now meet and mingle. Through them, we witness evolution in real time, a dance of adaptation and resilience. Throughout history, hybrids have shaped the animal kingdom. From the sturdy mule to the adaptable beefalo, these creatures have filled ecological niches, thriving where pure species might struggle. Their unique combinations of strength, endurance, and adaptability have left lasting marks on the tapestry of life. In the realm of science, hybrids are windows into the mysteries of genetics. By studying their DNA, researchers uncover the secrets of inheritance, gene expression, and the mechanisms that drive evolution. Hybrids push the boundaries of what is possible, revealing the hidden potential within every living cell. These creatures remind us that life is deeply interconnected. Hybrids often bridge the gap between species, forming new communities and reawakening ancient connections. Their existence hints at shared ancestries and the unity of all living things. Hybrids embody nature's creativity and resilience. Their curiosity and adaptability inspire awe as they navigate worlds both familiar and strange. Each hybrid is a celebration of life's endless capacity for innovation. These extraordinary beings are living proof of nature's boundless imagination. They are the unexpected wonders that emerge when worlds collide, reminding us that the story of life is always evolving. As we look to the future, hybrids hint at possibilities yet to come. They are the pioneers of new worlds, the living bridges between past and future, and the enduring symbols of life's unstoppable drive to adapt, survive, and thrive. Gap 2S. High above the ground where the sky meets the treetops, a unique chapter of hybridization unfolds. Welcome to the fascinating world of hybrid birds, nature's aerial wonders. Among these remarkable creatures are the mullard duck and hybrid macaws, each with their own stories of creation, significance, and scientific intrigue. Gap 2S. The mullard duck, a cross between the domesticated pekin duck and the Muscovy duck, is an intriguing example of hybrid vigor. This bird inherits the robust size of the pekin and the hardy resilience of the Muscovy, resulting in a creature that thrives in diverse environments. The mullard's adaptability allows it to flourish in habitats ranging from serene ponds to bustling wetlands. Its existence challenges the notion of species-specific boundaries, showcasing nature's ability to blend traits from different lineages into a single, thriving organism. Gap2s. Hybrid macaws, on the other hand, are the vibrant jewels of the avian world. These birds emerge from the union of different macaw species, such as the blue and gold macaw and the scarlet macaw. The resulting hybrids display a breathtaking array of plumage, combining colors and patterns in ways that pure species do not. Each hybrid macaw is a living canvas, painting the sky with hues of blue, red, and gold. Their striking appearance not only captivates the eye, but also serves as a testament to the genetic diversity and adaptability within the avian kingdom. Gap2s. The creation of these hybrid birds is a natural phenomenon, driven by the overlapping territories and shared ecological niches of their parent species. In the wild, hybridization can occur when different species come into contact during migration or when environmental changes bring them closer together. These encounters can lead to the blending of genetic material, resulting in offspring that possess a mix of traits from both parent species. Gap2s. The significance of hybrid birds extends beyond their visual appeal. They play crucial roles in their ecosystems, often filling ecological niches that pure species might overlook. For instance, the mulard duck's ability to forage in a variety of environments helps maintain the balance of aquatic ecosystems, while hybrid macaws contribute to seed dispersal and the health of tropical forests. These birds are not just hybrids, they are vital components of their habitats, contributing to the overall biodiversity and resilience of their environments. Gap2s. From a scientific perspective, hybrid birds are of immense interest. Researchers study their genetics to understand the mechanisms of inheritance, gene expression, and evolutionary processes. By examining the DNA of hybrid birds, like the mulard duck and hybrid macaws, scientists uncover the secrets of how traits are passed down and how new characteristics emerge. These studies provide valuable insights into the complexities of genetic diversity and the ways in which life adapts to changing conditions. Gap2s. In the skies above and the waters below, hybrid birds remind us of the endless possibilities that arise when different worlds intersect. Their existence is a celebration of nature's ingenuity and the boundless potential for adaptation and innovation. As we continue to explore the mysteries of hybridization, these aerial wonders will undoubtedly inspire awe and curiosity, guiding us toward a deeper understanding of the intricate tapestry of life. Gap2s. In the end, hybrid birds like the mulard duck and hybrid macaws are more than just blends of different species. They are living symbols of nature's creativity, resilience, and the ever-evolving dance of life. Through them, we glimpse the beauty and complexity of the natural world, reminding us that the story of life is always in flight, soaring toward new horizons. Beneath the shimmering surface of freshwater lakes and rivers, a hidden world of hybridization thrives. Here, among swaying aquatic plants and gentle currents, hybrid fish emerge as some of nature's most astonishing creations. Two of the most captivating examples are the flowerhorn cichlid and the blood parrot cichlid, living testaments to the power of genetic blending beneath the waves. The flowerhorn cichlid is a marvel of color and form, its vibrant hues and distinctive cranial hump setting it apart in any aquatic environment. This hybrid traces its lineage to several cichlid species, each contributing unique traits, brilliant reds, iridescent blues, and intricate patterns that shimmer with every movement. The flowerhorn's striking appearance is more than just decoration. It serves as a signal in the underwater world, reflecting health and vitality to potential mates and rivals alike. Its robust constitution allows it to adapt to a variety of freshwater habitats, making it a dominant presence wherever it swims. Equally remarkable is the blood parrot cichlid, a hybrid renowned for its rounded body, vivid orange coloration, and expressive features. Its origins lie in the union of different cichlid ancestors, resulting in a fish with a unique combination of traits: gentle curves, a beak-like mouth, and a playful nature. The blood parrot's distinctive shape and colour make it an unmistakable figure among aquatic vegetation, gliding gracefully through its watery realm. Hybrid fish like the flowerhorn and blood parrot cichlids play intriguing roles in their ecosystems. Their varied diets and adaptable behaviours allow them to explore ecological niches that might be inaccessible to their parent species. Some hybrids display increased resilience, thriving in waters with fluctuating temperatures or varying levels of oxygen, while others exhibit novel feeding strategies or social behaviours. These adaptations contribute to the dynamic balance of aquatic communities, fostering diversity and ecological stability. From a scientific perspective, hybrid fish are a source of endless fascination. Their unique genetics offer insight into the mechanisms of inheritance and the expression of new traits. Researchers study their DNA to unravel the mysteries of hybrid vigour, the phenomenon where hybrid offspring exhibit enhanced qualities compared to their parents. The vivid colours, unusual body shapes, and complex behaviours of hybrid cichlids provide a living laboratory for understanding evolution, adaptation, and the intricate dance of genes beneath the surface. In the vast and mysterious world of freshwater habitats, hybrid fish like the flowerhorn cichlid and blood parrot cichlid stand as vibrant symbols of nature's inventiveness. Their existence challenges the boundaries of species and showcases the infinite potential for life to adapt, survive and thrive in ever-changing environments. As silent sentinels of the deep, these hybrid wonders remind us that the quest for novelty and survival is as boundless below the water as it is above the sky. Deep within the tangled wetlands and sun-dappled riverbanks, another chapter of hybridization unfolds, one that belongs to amphibians and reptiles. Here, amidst the chorus of croaking frogs and the slow glide of turtles through the reeds, nature experiments with new genetic combinations, producing hybrids that are as enigmatic as they are fascinating. One of the most intriguing examples can be found among hybrid frogs. In certain ponds and marshes, closely related species of frogs may interbreed, resulting in hybrids with unique calls, coloration, and behaviors. Some hybrid frogs, like those in the Pelophylax genus, display unexpected patterns of green and brown, blending traits from both parent species. Their croaks, neither one nor the other, create a distinct melody, a new voice in the amphibian choir. These hybrids often occupy ecological niches that their parent species cannot, taking advantage of subtle differences in water temperature, breeding season, or available food. The genetic background of hybrid frogs is a subject of ongoing discovery. Their DNA reveals a complex tapestry where genes from different lineages intermingle, sometimes leading to the phenomenon known as hybrid vigour. This can result in offspring that are more robust, adaptable, or resistant to certain environmental challenges. In other cases, hybrids may face obstacles such as reduced fertility or difficulty finding mates, highlighting the delicate balance between genetic innovation and evolutionary stability. Turtles, too, participate in nature's hybrid experiments. In regions where the ranges of two closely related turtle species overlap, hybridization can occur, producing offspring with shells that display intricate mosaics of color and pattern. These hybrid turtles may inherit the streamlined shape of one parent and the unique markings of another, allowing them to blend into diverse habitats, from muddy riverbanks to sunlit sandbars. Their varied diets and adaptive behaviors further illustrate the evolutionary potential unlocked by hybridization. Hybrid amphibians and reptiles offer a living glimpse into the mechanisms of evolution. Their existence demonstrates how genetic boundaries are sometimes more fluid than fixed, and how the mixing of different lineages can lead to new forms, behaviors, and ecological possibilities. Each hybrid is a testament to nature's ongoing quest to adapt and thrive, revealing the subtle interplay between chance, selection, and survival. In the quiet backwaters and shadowy swamps, These hybrid creatures are silent witnesses to the ever-changing story of life. Their presence reminds us that evolution is not a straight path, but a winding journey, one that is written in the genes, sung in the night air, and carried on the backs of those who dare to be different. As the story of animal hybrids unfolds, a profound question lingers in the air, one that echoes through the forests, rivers, and grasslands where these unique creatures reside. What is the true cost and consequence of hybridization in the animal kingdom? The answer is as complex as the hybrids themselves, woven from threads of ethics, scientific curiosity, and the enduring quest for survival. Within the natural world, hybridization is both a source of innovation and a subject of debate. For some animals, blending the genetic material of two species leads to offspring that are stronger, more adaptable, or better suited to changing environments. This phenomenon, known as hybrid vigor, can open doors to new evolutionary pathways. Yet not all hybrids thrive. Some face challenges that linger in the shadows, reduced fertility, health issues, or the struggle to find a place in the social fabric of their world. Consider the silent negotiations that unfold in the wild. A hybrid may inherit the bold stripes of one parent and the cautious temperament of another, but will these traits help it find food, evade predators, or attract a mate? The answer is never simple, and the natural world holds its breath as each hybrid navigates the uncertain path between innovation and risk. At the heart of the debate lies the question of animal welfare. When hybridization occurs naturally, it is often a result of overlapping habitats or shifting ecological boundaries. Here, the well-being of hybrids is determined by their ability to adapt, survive, and contribute to the ongoing story of life. Nature itself is the ultimate arbiter, selecting which combinations endure and which quietly fade away. Yet the future of hybrids is fraught with scientific intrigue. As climates change and habitats shift, the potential for new hybrids increases. Some may become bridges between fading populations, preserving genetic diversity and offering hope for species on the brink. Others may struggle, caught between worlds, unable to fully belong to either parent lineage. Throughout these debates, one truth remains clear: the creation of hybrids, whether by chance or circumstance, demands respect for the delicate balance of the natural world. Each hybrid is a living experiment, a testament to both the promise and the perils of genetic mixing. Their stories remind us that progress and preservation are not always in harmony, and that every new chapter in evolution brings both opportunity and responsibility. In the intricate dance of nature, hybrids are both question and answer, living symbols of change, resilience, and the endless possibilities that arise when boundaries blur. Their existence challenges us to look beyond simple definitions, to embrace complexity, and to honor the silent wisdom of life's great experiment.